Sprucing up your home with a coat of paint is an easy upgrade, but what can you do about a bland concrete porch or patio? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, I'll share an easy concrete upgrade that just isn't a pretty face right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet & Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet & Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet & Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. When you spend the time and effort to make your house look good on the outside, you don't want something like a dull gray patio to take away from its beauty. Making concrete complement your home is easy. First, clean the concrete thoroughly. You can use specialized concrete cleaners or use a pressure washer to remove any trace of dirt, mold, and mildew. Next, apply a coat of concrete stain. This stain can be a solid color or translucent. I personally love the translucent style, so many of the features of the concrete can still show through. Once the stain is dry, add a little pizzazz by applying a coat of high-gloss masonry sealer. Not only will it look great, but you'll get the added benefit of the stain and sealer protecting your concrete. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.